Yo guys, we're gonna be opening this gift in 3, 2, 1. And yes guys, we just got the Renegade Raider as a gift, and this is completely real guys. As you can see, I can check the date is right here, 10:24 p.m. This isn't a pre-recorded video, this isn't a YouTube video, this is simply a Fortnite dev account. And if you guys want to get this, make sure to keep watching this video because it's absolutely crazy. Alright guys, so in today's Fortnite dev video, we're going to be going over Atomic. It's a very popular dev, and most of you guys know it. It's one of the best hybrid servers out there as of right now. Before I start this video, if you guys want daily videos like this one, go in the item shop and pop in code LUXE, which is LUXE. If we get 1,000 people using my code, I will upload videos for Fortnite dev every single day. And also, not only that, I will make videos on how to get Fortnite dev on every single console, including mobile, PS4, Xbox, and every single console, so you guys can play Fortnite dev. So make sure to use code LUXE in the Fortnite item shop. And without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. Alright guys, what you guys want to simply do is go into the description of the video, and you guys will see my YouTube channel. And once you guys are there, you guys want to go into the first link, which is this one right here. And then once you guys are here, it's really simple. Just subscribe to all of these, and once you guys subscribe, you guys can go on, click on add, and then download extension. So super simple. Just click the tab, then tab out, and then press download extension, press visit page, and then tab out again, and then it should say unlock content. You guys can just click on it and then close the tab, and it will still work. Just run on 15 to 30 seconds for it to register your click. Unlock content. And then what you guys want to do is go on your email and then click your email. So I'm just going to use this email for example, and then press subscribe, and then press select all, and then press subscribe to publication, and then you guys want to click on download link, and then press download. Once you download it, it will take you to my website, which is right here guys. And then you guys want to click Atomic FN, and once you guys click Atomic FN, just do this simple process and it will take you to the launcher, which is right here. If it doesn't open the launcher on first try guys, go onto your settings and then go onto security, Windows security settings, and then go on virus and threat protection, manage setting, and then turn off real-time protection. Guys, this is not a virus, and it's up to you guys if you guys want to install it. I'm going to be doing it right now to prove that you guys it's legit. So press login with Epic, and then log in with the Epic account which you want to get Fortnite dev on, and then go back onto the site, which is Atomic Launcher, and then press continue. Once you guys are here, just press get key, and then once you guys have your key, you guys can insert it and log in, and then copy your key, which will appear. It does change very often, but you guys will get a key and then copy it, and then go on into your key and then press login. Once it shows login successful, you guys can go onto the stat changer, and then you guys can apply custom settings. For example, how I got the Renegade Raider is simply what I did is I did the custom gifting. So I did gifting, and then do gift all skins, and then press apply. And then you guys can also do lobby changer, you guys can do shop changer, so that would definitely be cool. And then go on hybrid, and then you guys can press no kick and then press launch. Guys, if you guys are still watching, make sure to comment W and I'll heart your comment. Also, if you guys are interested in memberships, while I'm loading, I'm just going to go over really quickly, guys. If you guys are interested in memberships, you guys can join my channel, which is in the description, for as low as, I think, $3. All the perks are in the link, so make sure to check that out if you guys are interested. So yeah. Also, guys, make sure to watch to the end because I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can go in-game with this, because it is pretty complicated. I'm going to be showing you guys to do it for free. Alright, so once you guys load in, you guys should be granted with the page, which is obviously right here, guys. So then you guys want to do is press open. Alright guys, so if you guys join in-game, they can see it as well, and your friends can see it in your party, which is absolutely cool. But to go in-game, what you guys want to do is you guys want to go find a UEFN map. So you guys can just search up UEFN creative maps, and then just go on like something like this, and then we can just go on like only up, for example, copy the code, right, and then close this out, and then go on island code, and then paste that in, press enter, and then press play. Make sure you guys go on a private game too, And unfortunately, you guys can only play for like 5 minutes, which is, I mean, you still get to play, but you'll get kicked out after 5 minutes, guys. So as you guys can see, we are literally in game right now with the Renegade Raider, and not only the Renegade Raider, guys, but we have the Champion's Axe as well, which is absolutely insane. So, you know, we're gonna play only up for 5 minutes, and I'll show you guys that you guys can literally play this, which is absolutely cool, and your friends can see it too. You guys can play with your friends. This is the only in-game dev out right now, guys, so make sure you guys do turn on notifications and subscribe to my channel, because these Fortnite devs do update very often, and luckily for me, I actually post them very often, so you guys can get notified on all the recent Fortnite dev updates. But yeah, guys, before we end off this video, guys, I'm just going to mention one more time. Make sure to use supporter creator code LUXE in the Fortnite item shop, guys. And once you guys do use that code, I will be doing videos every single day if we hit 1,000 people using that code. But without further ado, it has been your boy Radius, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.